This is a no-fit puzzle. It was made by Creative Craft House in the United States. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to play pieces into the frame with a square in a different position. That means that you have to remove this tiny square and try to put it inside of the frame with the rest of the parts. If you like the no-fit puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The no-fit puzzle is made from laser cut wood. It has 6 parts, including this small wooden piece that originally comes inside of this large part. And as you can see, all the parts, they fit nicely inside the frame. There are a couple of gaps between parts, but you still have to find a way how to put this small square between the parts, which looks totally impossible, since even though there are gaps, but they're too small to fit the piece. So we have to reorganize all the parts in such a way that all these gaps will transfer in a small square piece, and then you will be able to solve the puzzle. If you like the no-fit puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.